Hey you guys, so what I want to do in this video series is show you the system created by Adam Horowitz in his new mobile marketing product. Combine the tactics that he so ingeniously created with the power of using a Tiley short URL. So what I'm going to do is run you through a couple of quick things that Adam showed, and then we'll tie it up and use the Tiley short URL to add some serious punch to his method. So the first thing we need to do is go through and create a new list. So once you're inside your Aweber account, just create and manage lists and then create a new list. So we'll close this setup wizard. We'll name this whatever this list is going to be, in particular for the mobile marketing squeeze page that you want to create. And remember, what we're doing in this process is creating mobile optimized squeeze pages through our Aweber account to use in a variety of different mobile ad serving platforms. I'll go through all that. Don't worry about it. It'll all be explained in detail. Plus, we're going to add a little bit of a kick to it with the Tiley short URL service. So let's name this. Let's say we're going to build a list in the golf niche, or niche, depending on how you like to say it. We'll call this one golf. And give a quick description. Golf tips and tricks. You have to add a from name and then an address. I'm not actually going to be using this particular one because I've got some of my own running already, but for demonstration purposes, put your name and an email in there. It's required. So from that we go to the confirmed opt-in. Now, in traditional email marketing, we all use what's called confirmed opt-ins or double opt-ins. For mobile marketing, it's a little bit different because of the environment that people are going to be receiving this information in. We want to make sure that we're going to be able to capture that lead, and if our squeeze page is good enough and they really want the information, then they're going to use their real email address anyways. So in Adam's information, he recommends that you confirm the confirmed opt-in status be turned off, and I concur with that recommendation because otherwise, given the mobile environment, people will just not opt in if they have to go through a bunch of steps. So we'll turn that off. And once that's turned off, we don't need to worry about the confirmation message. We'll just save these list settings. Perfect. So once we've turned everything off, we can go into My Lists, see list settings, and we can see that we're into Golf 224 list up here. So this is that new mobile list that we're going to be creating. Now if we go into web forms, we'll create a web form, and this is where we're going to be using these new web forms that Aweber has provided. So what you want to do after you click web forms, it will take you to this page. Go into show more and go into recreation, because remember, we're creating a golf list, and they've got these beautiful pre-made forms which actually are going to work out nicely as squeeze pages for this particular tactic. So let's click on that. I like this particular template. Let's load that template. Just bring it up so you can see it a bit better. And then all we have to do in here is add a bit of text. Enter your email to improve your drive by 30 yards. Then we want to center that. Let's have a look and see how it looks in here. Okay. Then I might add something in brackets. A pro tip. Something to that effect. Something that's catchy. Then I'd probably select that. Check the font size, reduce it a little bit, maybe to 12 pixels, and then I'd give it a bit of color, make it a bit bigger, 13 pixels, something like that. You don't have to necessarily use that text, but you're getting the idea. You want it to be catchy, something that's going to grab their attention. Then you'll see these fields in here. We don't want the name field because, to be honest, in the mobile environment we don't really care who they are. We do care about their email, so let's just delete that. And here you just have the email field left. Down here, this is the CAN-SPAM message. It is a link. We want to delete that because we don't want them to click on that particular link and be taken away from this page, because that's exactly what will happen. So I'll delete this and I'll put this information in the footer so people will be assured that their information will be kept private. Then let's edit the footer. Your information will never be shared. Center it. Okay. And there you have a nice little formatted page that you're going to be able to use as a squeeze page. So once you've added all this information, simply click Save the Web Form. It'll take a second and go to step 2. Name the web form Golf Squeeze Thank You page. Now, this is a critical part of the system that Adam's put together, and I'm going to get into great detail on this particular aspect of this mobile marketing system. So what I'm going to do is conclude the first introductory video there, and when we get into video 2, we'll go through creating the custom page, tying in some CPA offers, but using the power of the Tiley URL service to, as I said earlier, add a bit of punch to the system that Adam's already created. So I'll conclude the video there. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.